Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about answering questions in this lesson. Our content objective for this lesson is I can answer questions using who, what, where, when, why, and how. Our language objective is I can answer questions in a complete sentence using sentence frames. Answering questions. The first step is to preview the text and pictures. We want to do a picture walk, look at headings, look at bold key words that are in the text. Our second step is to read to find answers and ask, how do I know? We want to find evidence in the text. This means taking a text like that and looking in the text, circling the text, underlining the text, thinking about what we found to answer. How do I know? There are different types of questions that we can answer. We can answer questions like who questions. Who is in the text? We see this picture. There are 3 girls in the text. There are 3 kids in the text. Maybe a character like Curious George is in the text. There might be many characters in the text. Kids are in this picture. Kids are the who. Who is in the text? You might have character names to answer this question, such as Curious George is the character in the text. We might answer questions, what questions? Thinking about what is happening. What is it mostly about? Building a sandcastle. Riding a bicycle. What is happening? They are cooking a meal. We can answer where questions. Where is it taking place? At the beach? At the park? Now, let's think about what we've learned so far. If we have this picture of people and animals, does this show who, what, or where? Think about what we've learned about questions that show who, what, and where. What do we have people and animals? Choose the best answer. Now when we look, we have questions that answer when. When is it happening? This picture shows it's happening at nighttime. I know this because I see the dark sky and I see street lights on. This picture shows daytime because he's tired getting up out of bed. When can also mean a season. When is it happening? This picture is taking place during fall or autumn. We can answer why questions. What caused this to happen? Why is it happening? This picture shows a girl hurt. Why is she hurt? She's hurt because she fell off the structure playing. This picture shows a girl playing but crying and upset. Why is she upset? Why is she crying? She is all done playing and she wants to get off. We can answer how questions. How do you know? What evidence is in the text? To answer how questions, look at the text and we want to find where in the text We know. How do you know? Take your highlighter, pen, pencil, circle, highlight, or underline where in the text to show how you know the answer to the question. Now let's think about what we've learned again. If we see time of day with a clock and the sun showing past, present, and future, does this picture up top show why, when, or how? Choose the best choice. Now you're going to complete your mastery check on ClassKick. In the pink box, you will click on the recording to listen to the directions so that you will know what to do next. You'll be reading the passage and answering the questions below. Remember to use complete sentences when answering your questions. It's important we answer questions because good readers ask and answer questions.